Мягкий знак, the soft sign. It's easy to understand what it does if you can pronounce another Russian letter, E. They are actually related. They're even interchangeable in some words like свидание, свидание, прощание, прощание. So let's talk about E. When we use it after consonants, it doesn't just add a sound next to them, it actually modifies them. Listen carefully. S, C, S, C. Now let's get rid of the E sound and we'll end up with S, 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 S. And that's exactly what the soft sign does. It makes consonants sound like they have E next to them without actually adding anything. Let's do it some more. V, 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 M, M, Mi, Z, 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 L, L, Li. Alright, it's time for some real-life examples. Л, Л, соль. Соль морская йодированная. Соль, солить. Соль, солить. Т, т. Фасоль. Фасоль в томатном соусе. Фасоль, есть. Фасоль, есть. Т, т. Гель. Л, Л. Гель для душа. Гель, мыть. Гель, мыть. Т, т. Look at this, they use the soft sign as their brand name. How smart is that? You can find more examples in our app. До свидания.